A woman called me the other day, guys, and said, "Hello, sir. I'd like to borrow $2.5 million. And you know what I said? Yes, and yes. All kidding aside, guys, here's a quick recap of how I got someone $2.5 million with one phone call. Check it out.
Hey guys, it's me, Rob Nichols here, your Boston-based real estate entrepreneur and hard money lender, folks. And today I want to showcase a property we just funded in the Dorchester neighborhood of Boston, Massachusetts. It's a 30-unit building behind me here that we just refinanced, guys. This thing came in, the value came in at $7 million, so we did a cash out refi. We also did a construction holdback to provide the borrower with enough money to renovate the entire building and turn this into a performing asset. This is a 30-unit, folks. And so as I said before, we don't just finance fix and flips. We don't just finance new construction, we also do commercial, residential units. So 30 unit here, we got it done, guys. And we're really excited to be here in Boston and beyond, guys. If you need funding nationwide, we can help you with that as well. The reason we started Boston Realty Funding, guys, it's super important to understand this, is to really help investors grow their business, guys, and provide them with alternative capital sources. Because we believe if we're empowering you to grow your business, your life will eventually and ultimately transform for the better. And so with that said, visit www.bostonrealtyfunding.com or call 617-582-2331 and we'll get you the funding you need to grow your business and transform your life, guys. Stay tuned for more.